We all know the problem, right? Power strips. We have cords, bricks, AC adapters, and we can never get them to fit right. That's why we turn them inside out, we move them upside down, we block our power switch. It just isn't efficient. That's what's great about pivot power. We've crafted this thing to be flexible, so you can turn it into whatever direction you need to in order to fit all of your devices and plugs. So go ahead and plug in all those cords you never knew what to do with, and that's pivot power. A product invented together by Jake Zion and 709 people around the world.
ما هو الحب؟
El amor es ser feliz.
أنت على حق.
Yo siempre tengo razón.
Italia 語でうさぎは何と言いますか?
Un coniglio è un coniglio. Coniglio.
Coniglio.
Coniglio.
Coniglio.
Coniglio. Coniglio.
Coniglio.
Perfect.
You weren't always here. You worked your way through the ranks. And along the way, you learned never to compromise for quality. Introducing the Truss from Brainwaves. The Truss is all metal made from die-cast aluminum. Using powerful 3M VHB tape. Provides convenient storage for both your work and play headphones. The Truss, only from Brainwaves.
So essentially what we've done is we've taken a traditional smartphone cover and turned it into a medical device. This cover is very much like you would have on a phone normally, and it has two electrodes built in, a battery and some wireless circuitry which talks to the phone. It sits directly on like any other cover, and once you unlock it you can open the app that you've downloaded from the iTunes store and immediately it's ready to go. The next steps is simply to put your fingertips on the back of the case and hold steady, and you'll notice there my heart rhythm. This is now storing it on the phone encrypted, and it's ready to upload to the cloud storage, and you can see that's now ready for review, and that can also be viewed online by your cardiologist almost at the moment you've taken it. provided you're online.
Welcome to Dreamlight, mindful breathing practice.
Come on, you really need change.